welcome back to my channel, the Baking Diva. Happy 4th of July, everyone. I hope you're all going to have a wonderful day. We're at my daughter's house. We're having a nice family picnic. And if you'd like, stay tuned and I'll show you some highlights of our day. I think somebody borrowed my fireworks headband and glasses. Wow. Makes my day when the family participates in the holiday.
Super festive today.
Here's my grandsons, Aaron. Here he is. And we'll pan over here to Jake. And they're playing cornhole. Who's winning?
Aaron.
Aaron's winning.
7-3.
Alrighty. Well, good way to start off the day with little games.
I suck at this game.
I'm gonna play one of you later. How do you think Grandma will do?
Awful.
Awful?
Yeah,
what do you mean awful?
Horrible.
Don't kid yourself. Just because I wasn't a great athlete in high school doesn't mean I haven't improved as I got older. And there's Jake. Jake's the one I always talk about. Could you believe, everyone? He finally got his driver's license on Thursday after waiting 3 months.
7-3.
How's it feel, Jake, to have that license? He's very involved in his game.
What?
Jake, how's it feel to have that driver's license?
Amazing.
Amazing. Congratulations.
I had the Baking Diva distracting me.
Oh, he says I'm distracting him in the game. Ha ha ha.
That's the reason why I'm losing.
Here's my son-in-law Jason. Oh, he's bringing out appetizers. Let's see what we have there. And there's Scott over there. There's Scott in the green shirt. My handsome son.
Yeah, we thought
And there's the cameraman down there. And there's Jerry. And Phyllis. And Dawn. And Pebbles. Here's some of the appetizers we have. This is stuffed mushrooms.
Fork or something?
We have a little shrimp cocktail. We have some chicken tenders. We have some bruschetta.
That would be a good thing.
And this is just the
Something in the
appetizers.
oven would be a chicken bruschetta.
I said, what tomatoes can I just
There's the
make
cameraman
upside down myself?
talking. He just doesn't talk on my video.
I read that.
But otherwise he
cherry tomatoes are
talks.
probably the
He
best.
entertains people.
So my cherry tomatoes are hanging.
When we were at Dawn's house for Mother's Day, it was cold and she hadn't planted her flowers yet. And I told you, just wait until the weather warms up. She loves to plant her flowers. Very pretty garden. Here's Aaron and his dad, Jason. Oh, look. Jason's all ducked out. Jason's all ducked out for the holiday. God. Oh. So what are you two cooking over there?
We got ribs, we got chicken.
Oh. Let's see, Aaron. Open up that grill for a minute. Oh, look at all the chicken grilling. Wow, Aaron, are you the chef with the mostest? Yes. You think you're any good at it? Yeah, he likes to cook. When he comes to my house, he likes to bake, right? At midnight. Here's the homemade macaroni salad the Diva made. Oh, look it. Tomatoes, cucumbers, feta cheese, and olives made by my talented daughter. And there's homemade coleslaw and potato salad made by Jason's dad.
And behind you?
Oh, wait a minute. She said there's something behind me. Oh, yeah. And here's a nice big pan of sausage and peppers. And we're having the grilled chicken. Good. Starting off slowly, because I have to leave some room for my dessert I made. Narrate.
We got Baking Diva.
Who's gonna win? Me.
She's out here.
Let's go, Aaron.
She thinks that she can win. Let's see how this goes. Oh, that was close. That was close.
It was close. close.
No.
Oh. Gotta get that in just to show you.
Show us your athletic ability.
Oh, geez.
Oh, yeah.
That was
Oh, that was that was awful. I think he made one.
Get that in a video.
This is our amazing vlog of the 4th of July with baking saucer. Aaron, switch sides.
Doesn't matter. It's my face too.
No, it's not. Got the supermodel right here.
Well, I'm not really trying, Grandma. Try to hit the board.
Oh no.
Try and hit the board.
I actually got out of the board. I'm winning on nothing.
Oh, come on. I was doing better the first time.
Oh boy, Kobe Bryant. I got on the board. That's all that matters.
This is not that easy. Hey.
Can I stop filming now?
Well, we had fun playing cornhole, but Aaron is the winner. What was the score, Aaron?
21-9.
21-9. Grandma 21?
No.
Aaron 9. No, but that was a good try. I did good, right? Next time I'll do better. All right. Are you enjoying your sugar cookie bar I made?
Good.
Good. Hey everyone, well, thank you for stopping by and spending a few minutes watching how I spent the 4th of July. I hope you all had a wonderful day. What can I say? God bless America, and I'll see you all very soon. Toodles!